All right, well, we're here at the shop. Let's see if anybody's in home. Anybody home? Nobody home. Beautiful. Hello, car. All right, well, today we are down here at the shop. We're at Trevor Bradfield's fabrication shop. If you don't already follow from the other videos, make sure you go over to TBradFab right now on YouTube and on socials. But today we are going to be getting started on the 86 Ranger. We spoke about this in a previous video a week or so ago, and what we're up against with this thing is we are into a final block to see where we're at, and then we'll be ready for paint. And we've got raw steel in here from a new console that he built, plus this 65 Acadian dash that's in here now. We got a little work here on the rad cradle. He wants to fill in and flush mount these holes, and then we're gonna pop body, pop the box. This thing will be out of here. We're working on it right now on the rear end and the wheel fitment and that kind of stuff. So if you're not already following along with this build, make sure you check out 55 Pontiac Lowrider playlist and the build. We're doing a whole series on this one on what we're doing for the rear end and how we're getting these new Zenith 13x7 wheels and everything, wire wheels all fit in here. So while he's working on that, we're gonna be doing that. And then I'm gonna be over here working on this thing. They were working on this, and these guys are metal fabricators, so all the metal's really good. They just don't know a lot about body. So he was calling in some favors. We were coaching him through and getting him set up how to do this right from bare steel, and it turned out great. So he had all year this 2024 season to drive this truck, work the kinks out, make sure everything's good. And now that we know everything's good, that's the reason why we're on a crunch now, is for 2025 in April. We'll see everybody there. All of this feels really, really good. I don't think we're gonna have much of an issue. So I've got all my blocking gear. I've got everything here. I got all my big stuff from Big Kid Block. I should be okay because they've done some beautiful work on this. It's very rare that I ever get to lay hands on, I don't know why my glasses are still on. It's very rare that I get to lay hands on something that's kind of all the dirty work's been done. Usually I'm the one that's starting from steel and going all the way up, and it's very time consuming. But this here, they have really gone through, like, just the seams alone through here are absolutely like arrow straight and perfectly curved. Like, they've done a really, really nice job. I can't wait to dig into this. I'm gonna get everything cleaned up. I'm gonna finish sweeping up here around here. I'm gonna get things set up and out of my way. And then I'm gonna make a plan as to what I wanna hit first based on how much space we have. We do have another shop over here, the bigger shop that's over on the other side, that we can move parts into as I'm done doing them. So my plan is to get the major blocking done while everything's still attached to the vehicle, and then take pieces off, put them away and wrap them up. And then I know they're ready for final primer. And then it gets everything out of here. And then once we're down to the last little bit, the box comes off in one piece and all this comes apart fairly easy, because these guys they make these vehicles come apart really quick because they have them apart so much when they're building these trucks. So can't wait. This is going to be awesome. You definitely want to stay tuned for this Ranger build. And you want to stay tuned for this build. This one's already happening over on the other channels. We're going to show some stuff too on our channel and Trevor Bradfield's channel at TBradFab for both of these builds going on. Plus we've got the other Mazda and the other Ranger and whatever else we decide to get into. And there's those shiny little Rams. Okay, let's get our stuff put away. And we'll get started. We'll get some things and pieces taken out of some stuff, but I'm excited. I'm really excited. This thing's gonna get full solid color, along the same lines of the dark kind of Blue Bayou blue that's on here now, the GM color. I'm gonna do I think I might do a little bit of a candy twist. We're kind of playing with it. And then this truck may or may not already have a full rendering with graphics. If we have time this year, we'll do the graphics. If we don't have time, because we're under a crunch because we've got these two going, and both of these are going to Maggie Valley for mini nats, along with 10 other guys. So we just want to make sure we're done and we're ready to go. I can always do this one next year and just bring it into my shop up home and do all the airbrushing and the candy work and the striping and do all the graphics there. Like I did on Square One. I'll put a picture in here. And Matt's Ranger here that I did all the tanks and everything here. So that's our crunch time. We give ourselves a good couple of months to get everything done. We should be good. So if we quit talking long enough, we'll get our work done. Thanks for watching. Okay, that was quick for you guys. Got everything put away. We got some stuff hiding under the truck. Can't wait, it's gonna be fun. Hope everybody's enjoying this. Make sure you follow along. Make sure you watch some more videos. Just wanna take a second and thank everybody for all the comments and the love and everything. It's been absolutely phenomenal. The amount of people that have tuned in and watched the videos and sent them skyrocketing in the first like 24 hours has been amazing. Can't do it without you. It allows us to do more stuff like this and continue on and keep building and building, or doing fun stuff no matter what we're doing, or road tripping. This is every day in my life, and once we get these things dialed in and done, then I'm hoping to get back down south to the house in Nicaragua. I was supposed to be there a month ago and gone for a little while and then come back and get started on this stuff, but with everything going on with my father right now, we're here. And that's what matters. We will be back down south. All our friends, Tony and Steve, everybody's all there right now enjoying Christmas and the holiday season down in the tropics. So I love you guys. Can't wait to see you. And I will get down there. I am missing the surf right now, which is crazy, but we're here. We're busy and we're going to make the best of it. Hope you're having the best day ever, as we are. No matter what we're doing, we're just out here having some fun. So thank everybody for watching. Love everybody. We'll see you in the next video.